factor 3 of 256. So 256, it can be written as 2 times 128. 2 times 128 means 256. 128, it can be written as 2 times 64. 2 times 64 means 128. 64, it can be written as 2 times 32. 2 times 32 means 64. 32, it is 2 times 16. 2 times 16 means 32. 16, it is 2 times 8. 2 times 8 means 16. Like as 8, it is 2 times 4 means it is 8. And 4, it can be written as 2 times 2. 2 times 2 means 4. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are these all 2. These all 2 are the prime numbers. So we can write 256 is equal to the product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2 times 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 these 2. So the product of all these prime numbers is equal to 256. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.